Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue with our previous topic, that was transposing the tunes up or down. Today we are going to transpose it in minor 7th. Okay, so let's find out first what is the distance in the minor and 7th interval. So for that we're gonna create a small keyboard again. Okay, now if we see, so if we start from C, so we'll count 1. So this is our 7th note. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th note, right? B is the 7th note. Now we check the interval. Is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So we got that we have 11 semitones, right? 11 semitones for major. Okay, for minor it will be 10 semitone. Okay, so now let's find out which one is the, now let's do the exercise. First one, so first we have to check these are two key signature, two sharp. That means this is either D major, okay, or this is B minor. Okay, minor. Now to transpose it, first we'll check is it a minor scale or not. So we check any accidentals. There is one accidental, there is E, but in E does not matter to this B, because this will not be your 6th or 7th degree. Okay, so that means this is a D major scale. Now if we transpose from down a minor from D major, so we will reach to, let's start from this is, we are here at D right now. We go to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we reach to E. Okay, we reach to E. That means we are at E major, and E major we know has 4 sharps. Okay, so let's transpose it to E major. So let's first make the treble clef. Let's put the last bar line here, and then we'll put the key signature. We start with F. Remember, fat cat goes down. That's what we put. The fat cat goes down. The time signature is common time signature. Let's transpose it. So we are here. This starting point is A. Okay, so if we transport from A 10 semitones down, so we reach to, we go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. We'll reach to B, natural B. So we put it here as B, the first note, and then according to that we're gonna start our other notes. So next will be here, next is here, again, the rest. Rest. Let's put the stems down. Okay, let's put the accidentals. So here you see this is our E sharp. So E was supposed to be natural here, but from our E sharp, if we move it from E sharp and we take 10 semitones back, so we are here at E sharp. So this is E sharp. So F note is E sharp. So we take it from there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we reach at G natural. Okay. So we put here natural here. So this is the accidental of natural will reach here. Okay. And next same you can see this is also G, because the thing is you see these are two different notes, right? Yes, this is G sharp and this is F, but when we transpose it here they're coming on the same at the G, but they are different G's. So we find out that this E sharp turns at the G natural, and now this F, if you move from F, okay, so we are here at F supposed to be sharp from the natural one. Yes, so if we are here at F natural, at this point we are at right now, so we count from there. This is becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this becomes G sharp. Okay, over here we reach here, so this becomes G sharp. Okay, because if we'll not do this, it becomes the same, it look like natural only. So just make sure whenever you're doing transposing, take care of this, right? See, I can go with the more details that you write down. First write down these note names, say this is A and this is your G, this is your E, and then how you transpose every semitone. So I'm not doing that. If you want to do that, you can do that, but just showing you, especially for the accidentals, make sure you do this just to reconfirm your answers. Okay, so let's continue. So we'll complete this. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, now next one we have again two sharps. So that means again this is D major or B minor. Okay, now check, there's any accidentals, there are no accidentals, so that means this is D major only, and now we have to go up a minor 7. So now if I go up, that means you have to go 10 semitones. We'll start from D, okay. So as we discussed here, this is either could be B minor or D major, and there was no accidental, so that means it is a D major. So let's move from D major up a minor 7th. So we need to take 10 semitones. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we got that we reached to C. That means this is transpose need to be done on C major. So let's find out. So if we are here, let's make the bass clef. For C major, we don't need any sharp and flat, so just time signature. Now let's transpose it. So if we are here, this is our A note. How do we check that? We did this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first space we reach 1 octave. That means this is A note. Now if we transpose 10 semitone up from A, so we are here at A. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We reach to G natural. So we'll reach here at G. So we transpose up here to G. Now according to this, we'll transpose other notes. Bar line. Let's put the stems. Pause. Okay, here we finished this one. Let's move to the next one. Okay, next we have melody down a major 7th. Okay, so we have to put it down now. So let's see. We have two sharps. That means again either it is D major or this is B minor. Okay, so let's make the table first quickly. So we start from C. And let's find out. So now we have to do from D major, we go back down 11 semitones. So we are here at D. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, and we reach to E flat. Okay, we cannot call it D sharp because we are at D major. Okay, so this cannot be D sharp, so we are at E flat, and then E flat we know we have major scale because we started transpose on a major scale. It's a D major, so D major to E flat major. So E flat major has 3 flats in it. So let's start from there. We make the clef here now. Next we make the bar line here. Let's make the key signature. So we start from B, E and A. Same thing, B, E and A. Okay, now let's time signature is common time signature. So now if we transpose from D, let's find the first note. This is D note. Now from D, if we transpose 11 semitones down, so we reach to E flat. Okay, we'll reach to E flat. So that means from D, the first note would be E flat. Flat is in terms of key signature, it is automatically, so it becomes E. Now let's make other notes. Close the bar. Okay. Now in this note, we'll check the note again. Accidental is there. So we'll check that at the end. Okay, we have finished within the 1 bar, so we don't need. Let's put the stems. And here we have to check the accidental. So here you can see this is sharp. So this is G sharp. So if we go from G sharp, this is our G sharp, right? If we go back down 11 steps, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. We reach to A. Now A has to be natural here, so we have to put this as natural sign there. Okay, right? So this is also done. We don't need this part because we finished within the 1, so we can move on. So if we move to the next one, we have to transpose up a major seventh. So we have two flats. So two flats, we know that either we have it in B flat major or we have in G minor. Okay. Now let's find out, do we have any accidentals? No, we don't have any accidental. That means this is a B flat major. So let's do it from here. We make it, let's start from B flat major only. So we make it here. So we start from B flat major. This is B flat major. So we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. We reach to A. So that means we are at A major. And A major has 3 sharps in it. So let's do it. This is treble clef. And let's put the key signature, that is F. Fat, cat, goes. The time signature, let's put it here. Fat, goes. Now let's transpose it. 11 steps, 11 semitones from this one. This is our D note. And if we move from D semitones up, we're gonna reach to C. Right? So let's start from here. This C here. Next we go to accordingly. Okay, let's put the stems. Okay, so here we finished this way. And just a request, so whenever you're watching my videos, just let me know from which place you are in India or from outside India. So that's really gonna help me and give me more information that where my audience is from. So that's gonna help me out to reach out to more people. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you.